Hey, what's going on everyone, this is RainViewer back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best iPhone widgets that you can get on your device in 2024. Now in this list I've put all kinds of different widgets, some pretty cool ones, some fun ones, some that will make your device look really different, and of course some that are actually really useful. So let's go ahead and take a look at this list. We have about 12 different apps with of course some really awesome widgets, and we're starting things off with Calculator 17. Now this takes advantage of the new interactive widgets feature of the new iOS 17, and it allows you to interact within the widget on the home screen. Now of course you can calculate anything you want right here on the home screen of your device, which is really cool. So you will have all the different controls, of course, that you also get on a calculator app. You can see right there you have all the controls. You even have here the history of all the calculations that you have done, which is really cool. You can actually tap on it. It will take you right into the app where you can of course copy or clear those results and the history of your calculator. But as you can see right here, you have the basic calculator with everything you need to actually calculate without having to open any app. Next up is RainViewer, probably one of the best widgets that you can get if you want to see the weather right on the home screen of your device. It has a ton of different widgets, and here are a few of them which are really cool. Now at the top right there you will see a location that you choose or your current location, whichever one you want. You will see the radar right there, then you have the current weather, and then you have the weather right there on that small one for the next 3 days, which is really awesome. Now what you will get on this medium one right here is the current weather, the weather for the next 4 hours, and also 2 different arrows which allow you to move between different cities, of course as long as you have added those cities within the app. Next up will be Morpho. Now with Morpho you will be able to convert things right on the home screen of your device. It looks like a calculator, but you will have things right there at the top. So if I just clear everything here, you can see if I just enter a value here, let's say 10, it will convert. So Fahrenheit to Celsius, mile to kilometers right there, ounce to grams, and you can see right here if I just tap there, it will also convert euro to USD. Tapping there takes you into the app, and you will have all these things right here which you can delete and then add others, and then they will of course show right on the home screen of your device, and then you can convert the other things and not just these ones that are preset. You will have the clear button right here to clear everything, and again you can just convert anything you want directly on the home screen. Next up is of course Widgy. I know I do put widget on my videos every time I do a widget video, but it's actually the best one by far. And I do this because every day you will find new widgets with this app. You go into the app, you go into the Explore tab, every day there are tons of new widgets that are being released, like these 2 ones right here that are really cool. That one right there, it just shows you the current weather, and of course it shows whether it's night or day, the current weather on the background, and it's really awesome. You can see it has a clear background. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. And then we have the other one right here. It's called folder within folder, which is really awesome. So I can tap here and you can see it will open a folder of apps. Tap there to go back. So if I tap here, of course I can open any of these apps directly from here. So it not just looks cool, it also works. It opens the apps as easy as that, which is really awesome. Again, you will have this back button right here. Now, as I said, you can have the transparent background pretty easy. You go to the edit mode on the home screen, swipe here where there are no icons left, take a screenshot, and then you go within the Widgy app, you go to manage and tap right there, set up transparency. Just load that screenshot you just took and you're good to go. Next up is iScreen, another awesome app with a ton of different widgets for your device. It has a lot on the app. You just go into the app, explore different sections, you will find a ton of widgets. This is one of my favorites right here at the top, where you will have a few different apps which you can actually open directly from here. So you will have your work apps, travel apps, and the entertainment apps. Now the good thing is that you can actually edit these. Once you go into the app and you find this widget, you can edit the apps that you want to see there. And then we have this one right here where we can just flip a coin right on the home screen of the device, which is really awesome. So we tap here, it flips the coin, as easy as that. And then we have the small one right here, which shows all kinds of different information. So it shows the name of your iPhone, the steps that you have taken today, the current date, and the battery as well. And it looks just like a window from macOS, and it's pretty awesome. Next up is battery widget. Now, battery widget is probably one of the best battery widgets that you can get on iOS, and it has a lot of different widgets. So it has more than 10, I believe. Here are some of my favorites right there. At the top, you will have a medium one where you can see all the details you need to know regarding your device. So you will have the current battery, the storage, and you will have the RAM memory, and also the percentage of brightness on your device. Lower here we have the data usage, and then we also have the one for the battery, which looks, in my opinion, better than the stock one of iOS. Even though it looks a bit similar, it looks even better, and it shows whether your battery is charging or not. Next we have MD Blank. Now with MD Blank, you will be able to add widgets to the home screen of your device, some really cool widgets, but also you can add blank widgets which can just occupy a space on the screen here, and it will just look blank, like there's nothing there, which is really awesome. Now the way to do that is just the same as Widget. You take a screenshot of a blank page on your home screen and load it into the app. And here we have two of my favorite widgets from this app. The one with the photos right there, you can simply load your photos and have that album displaying on the home screen. Now I can tap here, I have 3, but if you add more, you can just tap like that to switch between different photos. And then we have one here with all kinds of different information, like a dashboard. We have the current date and the battery right here, but we can switch to the device info, battery, memory, and storage. It shows the name and the iOS version of the device. And we have the weather here, of course, if you have locations turned on. And then we also have the calendar, so you can switch between these as easy as that. And you can see those are both transparent, which makes them look really awesome. The next app for the video will be Quike. Now this is another app that I have featured a lot of in my videos, but it's always getting updated with new widgets, and here's one that has recently been added, and it's one of my favorites. So you will have a circle here with all kinds of different apps, which you can of course edit within the app and change them, but you will also have a clock right there in the middle, which is really awesome. Now it looks cool, it also works. So if I tap on one of the icons, of course it will open that app. And for the last 4 widgets, we have some pretty cool ones, but they are a bit smaller. They like don't have a ton of widgets, but they are pretty cool. Didget is another one that I really like, that will display the amount of data that you have used on your device. So if you're using data with this widget enabled, then it will start showing here the graphics. It will show you how much data you're using, and of course let you know when you have reached your limit. Next up is Clear Counter. Now with Clear Counter, you will have a counter right on your home screen via a widget, of course. So whenever you want to count something, you can utilize here, of course, the interactive widgets feature. You can count anything you want directly from this widget. And of course, we need to have some fun widgets, and then we have one called Jokes. Now Jokes is pretty cool. It lets you have a widget on the home screen that will always show you and tell you different jokes. Now what's really cool, it also has the interactive widget feature, which allows you to switch between different jokes directly from here using this button. You can even favorite any one of them, and then of course you will be able to find your favorites right on the app. So when you open the app, you will find all the different favorites that you make from here. And last but not least is another one of my favorites. It's called Motivation. It has been around for a really long time, but it's pretty awesome, and in this sector is probably the best one. It will let you know, basically once you set up the app, it will ask you what you need, what kind of motivation you need, how you're feeling and all that, and we'll set up the app for you, and then of course you will have it here on the home screen. Now what's really cool, it also has the buttons here that allows you to actually move between like different motivation quotes right here on the home screen, so you can move backwards and forwards. You can share anything you want from here, and also of course favorite them directly from the home screen. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the widgets. If you want to download any of these widgets to your device, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.